Hello everybody, I hope you all will be fine. In today's video, I will tell you how to clean a dusty keyboard or how to correct a defective key on a keyboard. So just we use many cleaners, sprays are simple. So if this key is not working well, so we will eject it, then we spray on it, then we use different clothes, soft clothes to clean it. Spray on the specific spot where you feel that point is dirty. Don't use the excessive liquid spray. So it as all is done, just clean the keyboard and put it on the normal heated area so it will be dried well. So after that you must clean the keyboard with soft piece of cloth and then you can use it. You you can purchase different sprays from the market, brush to clean, different types of brush. Even we can use our toothpaste, use toothpaste brush. So these are all the tips to keep your keyboard clean and neat and working well. So at the end you will find a beautiful videos in the future. Please subscribe my channel.